4 effective ways to increase brain power. Introduction. The human brain is a complex and fascinating organ that governs almost every aspect of our lives, from basic functions like breathing and heartbeat regulation to higher cognitive functions such as thinking, memory, learning, and decision-making. With our increasing understanding of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections, many of us are seeking ways to enhance our cognitive abilities and increase brain power. Whether it's for improved focus, memory, or creativity, boosting brain power is not only desirable but also possible through intentional actions. In this article, we will explore 4 effective ways to increase brain power, backed by scientific research and practical tips. 1. Exercise regularly for better brain health. Physical exercise is commonly associated with improving cardiovascular health, maintaining physical fitness, and promoting weight loss. However, regular physical activity is also a powerful tool to boost brain power. Exercise improves blood flow to the brain, which enhances oxygen and nutrient delivery to neurons, thereby supporting cognitive function. How exercise enhances brain function. 1. Increased blood flow. Physical exercise stimulates the production of growth factors, which encourage the growth of new blood vessels and neurons. 1. This is critical for improving brain function, especially in areas related to memory and learning. 2. Neuroplasticity. Studies have shown that regular exercise can increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that plays a crucial role in brain plasticity. 2. BDNF helps improve the connections between neurons, allowing for faster and more efficient communication. 3. Stress reduction. Exercise also helps reduce levels of cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. 3. Chronic stress can be detrimental to the brain, especially in areas like the hippocampus, which is involved in memory formation. 3. By reducing stress, exercise creates a more favorable environment for brain health. 4. Mood enhancement. Physical activity triggers the release of endorphins and other neurochemicals that improve mood and reduce anxiety, fostering an optimal state for cognitive function. Effective exercise routines for brain health. To maximize brain benefits, aim for a combination of aerobic exercises, such as running, swimming, or cycling, and strength training, such as weightlifting or resistance exercises. Incorporating mindfulness practices, such as yoga, can also help improve mental clarity and reduce stress. 2. Prioritize a brain-boosting diet. Nutrition plays a significant role in maintaining optimal brain function. The foods you eat provide the necessary nutrients that support the brain's structure and function. A diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and essential vitamins can enhance memory, improve cognitive function, and protect the brain from aging-related decline. Brain-boosting nutrients. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, found in fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are crucial for brain health. 1. Omega-3s are important for maintaining the structure of brain cell membranes and facilitating communication between neurons. 1. Research has shown that a deficiency in omega-3s can impair cognitive function and memory. 2. Antioxidants. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, blueberries, strawberries, dark chocolate, and leafy greens, spinach, kale, protect the brain from oxidative stress. 2. Oxidative stress can damage brain cells and accelerate the aging process, leading to cognitive decline. 2. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. 3. B vitamins. B vitamins, including folic acid, B6, and B12, play a role in brain function by supporting the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. 3. These vitamins also contribute to the formation of red blood cells, which ensure an adequate supply of oxygen to the brain. 3. A deficiency in B vitamins can lead to memory problems and decreased cognitive abilities. 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for regulating mood and supporting cognitive function. 4. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to depression, cognitive decline, and an increased risk of conditions like Alzheimer's disease. 4. Sunlight exposure and foods like fatty fish, eggs, and fortified dairy products can help maintain adequate vitamin D levels. 5. Whole grains and fiber. Whole grains, brown rice, oats, quinoa, provide a steady release of glucose, the brain's primary energy source. 5. Fiber-rich foods also help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which has been linked to improved brain function and mood. A brain-boosting meal plan. A diet focused on brain health should prioritize foods that are rich in the above nutrients. A typical brain-boosting meal could include a salmon salad with leafy greens, nuts, and berries, or an avocado and egg sandwich on whole grain toast. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is also important to stay hydrated and maintain cognitive clarity. 3. Engage in mental stimulation and learning. The brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Engaging in activities that stimulate your brain can help improve cognitive function, increase memory retention, and enhance problem-solving abilities. Whether it's learning a new language, playing a musical instrument, or solving puzzles, mental stimulation is key to boosting brain power. How mental stimulation enhances brain power. 1. Neuroplasticity and cognitive reserve. When you challenge your brain with new tasks, it strengthens neural connections and creates new pathways, a process known as neuroplasticity. 1. This is essential for improving cognitive function and delaying the onset of age-related cognitive decline. 1. Activities that require learning or problem-solving contribute to building cognitive reserve, which can buffer against brain aging. 2. Memory enhancement. Activities like reading, memorizing information, or engaging in brain games, e.g., crossword puzzles, Sudoku, chess, can help improve working memory and long-term retention. 2. Research has found that regularly engaging in mental exercises can increase gray matter in the brain, particularly in regions associated with memory and executive function. 3. Increased creativity. Mental challenges can also enhance creativity by encouraging novel thinking and expanding one's ability to make connections between seemingly unrelated ideas. 3. Engaging in activities like writing, drawing, or brainstorming can foster creative problem-solving skills. 4. Brain training apps. There are numerous apps and online platforms designed to improve cognitive abilities through games and challenges. 4. Examples include Lumosity, Peak, and Elevate, which offer tailored exercises to target different areas of brain function, such as memory, attention, and problem-solving. Mental stimulation practices. To boost brain power, try learning something new every day. Reading books, taking online courses, practicing memory techniques, or learning to play a musical instrument can provide consistent cognitive challenges. Additionally, seeking out new experiences, such as travel or socializing with diverse groups, can stimulate the brain in novel ways. 4. Get quality sleep for cognitive restoration. Sleep is one of the most important factors in maintaining brain power. The brain is highly active during sleep, and it is during this time that essential processes like memory consolidation, toxin removal, and neural repair take place. Poor sleep or insufficient sleep can impair cognitive function, memory retention, and overall brain health. How sleep enhances brain function. 1. Memory consolidation. During deep sleep, the brain consolidates new memories, transferring information from short-term to long-term storage. 1. This process is critical for learning and retaining new skills or knowledge. 1. Lack of sleep impairs this process, making it harder to remember information and recall details. 2. Detoxification. The brain's waste clearance system, known as the glymphatic system, becomes more active during sleep. 2. This system removes harmful metabolic waste products, such as beta amyloid, which is associated with Alzheimer's disease. 2. Sleep helps clear toxins that could otherwise damage brain cells. 3. Emotional regulation. Sleep also plays a role in emotional regulation. 3. Poor sleep has been linked to increased stress, anxiety, and mood disturbances, all of which can affect cognitive function. 3. A well-rested brain is better equipped to handle emotional challenges and maintain focus throughout the day. Sleep tips for brain health. To maximize cognitive performance, aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a calming bedtime routine, and ensure your sleep environment is cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and excessive screen time before bed, as these can disrupt sleep quality. Conclusion. Increasing brain power is not an overnight process but rather a lifelong commitment to taking care of both your mind and body. By incorporating regular physical exercise, prioritizing a brain-boosting diet, engaging in mental stimulation, and ensuring adequate sleep, you can enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and protect your brain against age-related decline. Remember, the brain is adaptable and capable of growth at any age. With the right habits and strategies, you can unlock your brain's full potential and boost your mental clarity, focus, and creativity for years to come.